Bitcoin ETFs see inflows for second consecutive day as BTC holds steady at $60,000. Ruholamin Haqshanas last updated June 27, 2024 at 1:30 GMT plus 3 2-minute read. Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs in the United States have experienced positive net inflows for the second consecutive day. On Wednesday, spot Bitcoin ETFs reported $21.52 million in net inflows, continuing a positive streak that began on Tuesday. According to data from SoSoValue, the largest net inflows of the day came from Fidelity's FBTC, which attracted $19 million. Grayscale's GBTC sees inflows. Grayscale's GBTC also saw net inflows of $4 million, marking its first positive flow since June 5. Additionally, VanEck recorded $3 million worth of inflows on Wednesday. However, not all funds experienced positive flows. Ark Invest and 21 shares Ark were the only ones to record net outflows, totaling $5 million. Other funds, including BlackRock, Bitwise, and Valkyrie, saw no net flows during this period. Since their debut in January, spot Bitcoin ETFs have amassed a cumulative total of $14.44 billion in net inflows, highlighting the growing popularity of these investment vehicles. Meanwhile, the price of Bitcoin, which reached as low as $59,021.42 on Monday for the first time since May 3, managed to hold key level above the $60,000 mark. At the time of writing, BTC is trading at $60,633, down by 1.5% over the past day. Over the past week, the leading cryptocurrency has fallen by nearly 11%. Last week, crypto quants suggested that Bitcoin's lack of bullish momentum could cause it to slide back to the $60,000 level after breaking below the key support of $65,800. The on-chain data indicated that traders have been reducing their holdings since Bitcoin touched $70,000 in late May and have not yet resumed buying. For the month, Bitcoin has declined by nearly 10%. Although it briefly reached the $71,000 level at the beginning of June, it has since been on a steady decline. Since mid-March, Bitcoin has mostly traded within the narrow range of $60,000 to $70,000 after reaching its all-time high of $73,787.68. Digital asset products see $584 million in outflows for the week. CoinShares, a crypto-focused asset manager, revealed that crypto investment products experienced a second consecutive week of outflows. More specifically, digital asset investment products as a whole experienced a second consecutive week of outflows, amounting to $584 million. The pessimism among investors regarding potential interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve is believed to be a contributing factor. Last week also saw the lowest trading volumes on ETPs globally since the launch of U.S. ETFs in January, with a total of just $6.9 billion traded throughout the week. Meanwhile, U.S. issuers are actively working towards launching spot Ether ETFs following the soft approval received from the Securities and Exchange Commission second last month. According to a recent report from Reuters, the second might greenlight spot Ethereum ETFs by July 4 if discussions between investment firms and regulators are finalized. At a Bloomberg conference on June 25, Second Chair Gary Gensler said the approval progress is going smoothly. He also stressed the necessity for asset managers to provide full disclosure in their registration statements, which is required for the ETFs to be approved. Follow us on Google News.